your name? I could have been one of the more. Give me it again. Well, you man who like King Selassie, I Rastafari, the conquering lion. Anyway, please, then we have to pass through. Yeah, man, we have to bless the big stone, big myself. Peerland warriors, and unity we say. Come now. Tower your name. I could have been one of the more. And I say, but the King and his grace is a glory. I could have been one of the Yeah, we're doing this songs and praise for life, you know. Inside and out here and around the community, you see it. Turbulence the future is the name. I don't know we are peace advocate, you don't know a unity and making money we are doing. Give me something for the woman them the ball. Now waste the time. I big people tune this. Young people might not know it, but everybody know it. What do you when I think Selassie? Ladies! Ooh yeah, it was love at first. When I saw her that night, and I knew from that moment, goosebumps came all over me, yeah. Peerland warrior them, from you love your woman, your mother, your niece. Everybody see us sing the chorus, come on! Well, I wanna need a here. Pull up again. Give me something else for the woman there. After start sing, woman approach stage. You want to start that one for me? Alright, maybe can start that one for me. Can you see yo?
We've got the love I was out searching for. And God bless our love. We don't have to. Here we go! We've got the love I was out searching for, and God bless our love. We don't have to search no more. We've got the love I was out searching for, and God bless this love.
Chantal, you look like you want me. How are you, the man? She wants a native on her front line. I will be pulled out. Yo, you hear me, man? Give me something for the woman then. Anyway, the girl them bubble go. The girls them follow. Never solo. I make people tune, man. Don't feel no way. You dance for the current, you know. We don't want to try, cause how could I not play the